So Next.js 13 is out and its new routing system is based on server components, which are a completely new thing. I mean, they were introduced last year in React 18's keynote, but since this Next.js release, it hadn't become a real thing. For the first time, I've been able to write asynchronous components in my Next.js, and that's exciting for me. In this video, I want to talk about how this routing works, how pages, templates, and route segments, what are all these things. But first, I should mention that all these things I think was inspired by Remix, which was around for many years. And that's a good thing about open source, that's called inspiration and nothing else. And let's dive into it. So the UI that we're gonna create is this Notes application. It is from React's last year keynote for server components. We're gonna re-implement it inside Next.js. And one thing to mention is that, as you see, URLs are still the same thing as I changed through pages. So that's gonna be handled with Next.js routing. And also this sidebar is a completely good example for a layout, because layouts are components with children but some shared UI. So its state is gonna be preserved across page transitions. As you saw, I changed from preview to edit, and this edited sidebar is still the same thing. I'm gonna steal some styling and some client components from this, but server components are gonna be re-implemented inside Next.js. So let's do it. Alright, here's the re-implementation of the Notes app inside Next.js. This time every note and creating a new note has its own separate URL. So the sidebar that is the same thing is handled with layouts, and this notes that is rendering in the sidebar is a note list component, which is a server component, meaning that it will only run on the server and will never be shipped to the browser. But the search box is a client component, obviously, because I've registered some unchange and hooks for it. So every time that I type into this search box, there should be a way to communicate between client and server components, and there's a new method called router.refresh to notify Next.js to remount its server components. And how does this note list read the search parameter? Indeed, I set up a cookie, and that server component reads that cookie to search through my notes. Also, there's some problems with the latest release. One is that when you declare an asynchronous component and include it inside layout or page, you would get a type error of promise component, and you can get around it with a type conversion. And the other thing is that Next.js includes an intermediate div between your layout and page, and I think that would cause some styling problems. I got workaround to this by adding another style, as you see here, but that would be unexpected, and I expect just to have my page inside layout as an immediate children. That would be much appreciated. I know this is thing for handling focus after page transition, but I think there can be some workarounds around this. But anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I will put this link in the description, and see you in the next video. Bye.